Hey gamers! Want to upgrade your gaming setup without emptying your wallet? Stick around, because I've got some fantastic budget-friendly tech gadgets that will enhance your gaming experience. Upgrading your gaming setup isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about comfort and performance. A better setup can boost your gameplay, keep you comfy during those marathon sessions, and elevate your overall enjoyment. Plus, who wouldn't want to impress their friends? 1. You don't need to spend a fortune on a quality ergonomic chair. Look for options with lumbar support and adjustable height to ensure comfort during long gaming sessions. There are plenty of great choices available for under $1502. Elevating your monitor can significantly reduce neck strain and improve your posture. Affordable stands not only lift your screen but also provide extra storage for your games and gadgets. You can even DIY one with materials you have at home. 3. Adding RGB lighting can really enhance the vibe of your gaming setup. These lights are budget-friendly and easy to install. Just stick them behind your monitor or around your desk for a stylish touch. They can change colors to match your mood or the game you're playing. 4. A large, smooth mouse pad can make a big difference in your gameplay. It improves mouse control and keeps your desk tidy, plus there are plenty of stylish designs to match your setup. Look for one with a non-slip backing for added stability. 5. A simple headphone stand can help declutter your space and protect your headphones. Many affordable options are available, making it easier to organize your gaming area. Start by browsing online marketplaces for ergonomic chairs or monitor stands that fit your budget. Grab a roll of RGB LED lights from a local tech store or online. Invest in a large mouse pad. Check out local shops or budget-friendly websites. Find a headphone stand that suits your style and helps keep your gear organized. Be cautious when choosing the cheapest options. While great deals are tempting, extremely low-priced gadgets can sometimes compromise quality. It's often worth spending a little more on something reliable that will last longer. So there you have it. With just a few budget-friendly tech gadgets, you can elevate your gaming setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you're planning to add to your setup. Happy gaming, everyone. Sure. Hey, race the improved version of your script chunk. Last but not least, a portable phone stand can be a game changer. Whether for notifications or gaming, having your phone at eye level helps you stay focused and connected without distractions. Research ergonomic chairs under $100 online and check local stores for sales. Order some RGB LED strip lights. You can often find them for under $30. Grab cable management clips from your local electronics store or online. Choose a mouse pad that fits your gaming style, typically available for $10 to $20. Pick up a portable phone stand to keep your phone easily accessible during gameplay. Be cautious about splurging on flashy gadgets that don't add real value to your setup. Focus on comfort and functionality first, and remember to check reviews before buying. Cheap doesn't always mean reliable. That's a wrap for today, folks. Leveling up your gaming setup doesn't have to be expensive. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up